Thank you all guys for coming in evening for a Roland demonstration. Thank you, Mr. Paul sir. Thank you, Mr. Mohit ji. Today I have for demonstration two product. First, V-drum. This model called TD07, and other product is very special, SPD20 Pro. So first I'll start TD07. In TD07 have completely 4 mesh pad and 3 cymbals pad and other kick drum and hi-hat controller. In V-drum have 143 sound. So you can create your own kit. In module have 50 kit completely customized. So you can create your own kit using with equalizer, miking system, miking sense, and ADSR system. So now I am playing preset kit. So you can better understand the sensitivity like original acoustic drum. Also in every pad you can get equal sensing. And in TD17 in a special feature cymbal chalk system. It's a Roland special feature in come in odd drum. So it is a Roland special feature, dynamics playability. So when you accurate trigger, it will an original and accurate sound. And in TD07 have a special feature equalization and miking system. So now I am checking equalization system. All pad like kick drum, snare drum, tom, hi-hat, cymbals. Also you can change your frequency response. So this function is not possible in acoustic drum, but possible in V-drum. And other facility is mic selecting system. So you can change your mic position in V-drum module. Now I am checking. Complete dry. Also in module have Bluetooth connectivity system. So you can play your mobile without any wire connecting. If you want anyone connect your mobile with my sound module, now I am starting Bluetooth. So please you search and select. Not getting? Not getting? हेल्प कर दीजिए ना, हेल्प कर दीजिए, कनेक्ट करने में हेल्प कर दीजिए ना, वो शायद ब्लूटूथ ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे। Now this module and that mobile connected via Bluetooth. Dear, please play any song. This song play by him, and you can play your drum with that music. Okay, thank you. So it's a very unique drum for music teacher and learner and intermediate player and also live stage musician, and you can play your recording studio. So you can please check after my finish the demo, and please clap for TD07. Thank you. Now I am starting very powerful tool, SPD20 Pro.